Advanced Residential Applications and Case Studies. Chapter 6, Market Analysis Case Studies. Page 9, Other Data. At this point, you are probably headed towards a recommendation that the proposed project of 75 expensive homes is not a good idea right now. I hope you got paid up front. However, what other data would be helpful to nail down that conclusion? Make a list of other data that you would like to study and include in your report. Maybe government, government solutions. Obviously, you will not have identical data sources in your community, but here is a list of some of the data that might be helpful to you. Number 1, availability of other land for development. 2, other developments already started. How are they selling? Number 3, price range of other developments. Number 4, other developments in planning stages but not yet started. Number 5, population projections for the county and city from local sources. Number 1, Chamber of Commerce. Number 2, school districts. Number 3, utility companies. Number 6, properties for sale and sold, not in MLS. Number 7, interviews with other local builders. Number 8, interviews with local officials, zoning officers, community development officials, government planners, Chamber of Commerce. Number 9, survey of mortgage availability, construction loans and permanent loans. 10, typical loan terms for people earning the median family income, down payment and interest rates. Number 11, foreclosure rates. Number 12, rental rates and vacancy rates for houses. Number 13, local building costs. Number 14, outlook for farm subsidies. Number 15, local unemployment rates. Number 16, average family size in market area. Click here if you would like to open this chapter as a PDF or which you can print and save to your device. End of page. Chapter 7. Wow, there was no test. Page 1, overview. Chapter 7 is the sales comparison approach. Identify situations where going back in time for sales data is appropriate. Recognize Fannie Mae's requirements for market analysis. Summarize the application of location adjustments and bonus value. Explain the application of non-traditional techniques such as market survey and componentizing value. End of page. Chapter Introduction, page 2. In this chapter, we will concentrate on the sales comparison approach. We use it all the time for residential properties. But Here we will focus on how to make it work when we have difficult or atypical properties. We will look at some specific types of properties that are different enough so that you may have extreme difficulty in finding comparable sales. We will then address some work-around solutions. First, we'll look at the ramifications of going back further in time and how to make appropriate adjustments for changes in market conditions. We will illustrate several ways to extract these adjustments. Then we will consider the necessity of having to go physically farther away from the subject property and how to judge where we might look for comparable sales. We will also address how to support these location adjustments. We will go into detail concerning percentage adjustments. You will be introduced to several techniques that may be employed when there just are not adequate comparable sales. We will discuss the market survey technique. We will also present other options in valuing complex properties, including componentizing the value and extracting and using an adjustment for bonus value. End of page.